This week, it's part 2 of our Malta trip. We're heading into Valletta to see if this historic capital lives up to the hype, especially in winter. It's brilliant to be here in Valletta. Valletta is the capital of Malta.
Such a historic and grand looking city, and it's definitely a great change of pace from the futuristic St Julian's.
It absolutely is, isn't it? It feels great.
Fantastic, and it helps that we've got the sun beaming down, brilliant weather for it.
Let's go and get a look around. We travelled today from St Julian to Valletta using Bolt. Such low cost here, whether it be Bolt or Uber, €9. But if you want to get about that bit cheaper, you can get the local bus. It's €2 for up to 2 hours anywhere on the island. Valletta was formed in 1566 by Jean de Valletta, who stands just behind me. The toys are more boring. Oh. The architecture here in Malta is phenomenal. It's Baroque and it's influenced by British, Italian and Mediterranean. Wow, every corner you turn is incredible, so beautiful. I love how dramatic and ancient Valletta is. It's got the most amazing views here, absolutely panoramic. And you're about to see one just now that is probably one of my favourite in the world. It's always a telltale with the British influence here. The famous telephone box, which actually has been in quite a lot of our videos lately. The British certainly did get round. That is absolutely beautifully decorated here. So it's for the Festival of St Paul's on the 10th of February. I think we're not going to be here for that because that would be a cracking day. Festivities are already started. I can only imagine how it would be on the actual day. Malta is such a great holiday destination. Food and drink prices are between 20 and 30% cheaper than the UK and similar European countries. Now it does make it a fantastic place to come on a budget, but it feels a 5-star experience. So you're hitting every single box there.
The population in Malta has been climbing rapidly all around the country, but one place where that's an exception is the capital, Valletta. Valletta is one of the least populous capitals in Europe, with a population of just under 6,000 people. Surprisingly, even though Malta has been growing in population, Valletta has actually dropped 10% over the last 5 years. An impressive statistic, and a questionable one too, for a capital city. Not something you would expect in your typical European capital.
If you're someone who loves cocktails, I think we love cocktails, don't we?
Yeah.
This is a brilliant place to come. There's so many different restaurants, bars that have got buy one get one free cocktails. So you get 2 cocktails in essence for €9.50, which is fantastic for a tight Scotsman. Do not remember Valletta being like this at night time. See, a couple of years ago, it was good, but it wasn't great. This is stunning. The nightlife is phenomenal here. It's just such a great place to be. Malta, you have not let us down. This is our last night in Malta. Disappointed to be leaving. It's been a cracking time. And we're heading from Valletta now to St Julian's to finish off this phenomenal holiday. What do you think, Matt? It's been a cracker?
It has been a cracker, and it was definitely worth every single penny spent on it. Had a brilliant time, and now we're heading down to St Julian's main party strip. Looking forward to it, and I'm sure we'll show you it soon.
Absolutely. Let's go one last time.